Hey guys, just shooting another quick video today on this 2008 Ford F-250 with a 6.4 Power Stroke diesel. It was towed in for a no crank, no start condition. We had a code for a U code for a CAN network problem. So we're using the Ford IDS and we're running the CAN network test, checking the response of the modules, and we can see right off the bat that the ABS module is not talking on the network. So we also have our lab scope hooked up on the CAN bus, the network. Get it cleared up for you. And that is not a good waveform. That's not a good CAN network waveform. Go ahead, Sean. We're going to disconnect the module, the ABS module, and there we go. That's what it should look like. So now we're going to test our powers and grounds to the module, verify that powers and grounds are good to the module, and if they are, then we're going to replace the module and reprogram it and retest. I'll keep you posted. Oh wow. So this is on this 2008 F-250 with a 6.4 Power Stroke with the electronic brake control module that was taking down the CAN network partially. That's our problem, it's leaking internally. Hey everyone, Friday evening, just finishing up this 2008 F-250 with a 6.4 Power Stroke. This was the one that was a no crank, no start condition, and we found the ABS module to be bad. There was no communication. The way we were able to diagnose it was using the Ford IDS and doing a network test. So there's the new module right there. It's sprayed with fluid film because we're in a rust belt here in New Hampshire, and I'd like to have this last for the customer. So there it is. So it's all in, it's all bled. Let's give it a shot here. So we're set up on our lab scope to look at the CAN network, high-speed CAN. We've already done a network test, so we know that it's good. But I just wanted to show you guys. So there's our CAN network, as it should look. And it cranks and starts and sounds great. There's another look at our CAN network. So this vehicle's a fix. Let's see if we have the, I just wanted to show you the inside of the old module. It was absolutely full of brake fluid. Here it is right here. And it's glistening because it's all soaked with brake fluid, and that's what took this module out. Took it off the network, and it became a no crank, no start because of the network being down. So there you go. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.